Hi everyone, how are you doing? So welcome to my new video of this unboxing of this Honor 8C. Actually this one is the pre-order unit, as you can see. Okay, this is exclusive pre-order Honor. This is a 3 gig RAM and 32 gig ROM version. Actually I ordered it around 4th of 9th. Okay, just that I didn't have time to unpack it. This one I ordered from Lazada Malaysia. Okay, so without further ado, let's open it. Okay, so with this this pre-order unit, they free the shopping bag. Okay, so I guess this is not the focus here. Okay, let's just show you. Okay, 8C is a Miao Xing anonymous Xing. Okay, whatever. Okay, let's put this aside. Okay, so now this is the unit. Okay, Huawei made in China, Honor 8C. This is a full screen. Honor 8C. Okay, let's unbox. Okay, let's open up the box. Let's see what's inside. Okay, as you can see, this Honor 8C, the display is 6.26 inch here, 19.9 display. Okay, 19:9 display ratio. Okay, and 13 plus 2 megabyte of AI camera. Okay, as you can see, there are two cameras here. Let me open it. Okay, and it's octa-core processor with 4000 milliamp battery. Okay, see the dual camera with AI. Okay, okay, let's power it up. There's a power button here, if you can see clearly. Okay, the power button. This is the volume rocker. I don't know whether you can see properly from this side. Okay, this volume rocker, this power button. Okay, and the USB, micro USB charging port. Okay, with 3.5 mm audio jack. Okay, let's power up. Okay, Honor. So as you can see, this is a front facing camera. Okay, this with the speaker and the sensor. Okay, this is a quite slim bezel. Okay, let's choose English. Okay, agree. Insert SIM card. Let's skip for this time. Okay, let's connect to my Wi-Fi again. I'll pause for a while for the setup. Okay, I've done setting up the account and those password. So now it comes to this screen, how to talk to your assistant. So you just continue. Okay, this is blah blah blah. No thanks, I don't want to use it. Okay, Huawei ID, I'll skip for this time. Okay, this one skip next time. I mean later only I'll do the setup. Okay, skip. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, so we need the Huawei ID. Okay, that's never mind, I'll just skip also. Okay, set up fingerprint. Okay, so for your information, the fingerprint is a rear mounted fingerprint. Okay. Okay, as you can see, the fingerprint you can use as to answer call, take photo, video, stop alarm. Okay, blah blah blah. Okay, enable. Okay, let's put the pin first. Let's try for this time. Just put 3333. Okay. Oh, it's a 6 pin. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, enroll. Okay, you scan the whole finger. I'm using the pointer finger. Okay. Unlock, face unlock, I'll skip for this time. Okay, enable all service. Okay, enable. Okay, do you want to join? Let's say if there's a beta ROM, then we can have the beta testing. Okay, so no thanks. I don't want to use the beta version. Okay, use the popular apps. Okay, later. Okay, you can import from another device. Okay. Okay, actually I set to use the Google Cloud Restore. So now it's restoring the phone from my previous Huawei and previous Samsung phone. Okay, this is quite old phone. Okay, it's just a secondary phone. So now let's wait for the restoring, and I'll show you the restore result through the Google Cloud Backup. Okay, it has finished, so all set. You can go. See, even the ringtone, the notification sound is the same. Okay, this is the new Huawei Honor 8C. Okay, let's check system, about phone. Okay, it's running on EMUI 8.2. Okay, so this is not the latest EMUI 9. Okay, let's see. We need to enable the developers mode. Okay, now a developer. So it's always the first step that I use this. I'll set this option. Okay, the animation, I'll turn off the animation because by doing this you feel the responsiveness is faster without those animation. Okay, also for the mobile data, always on, so it's easier to get connected. Okay, that's all for now. Okay, let's try let's go to the settings. Is there any else settings? Okay, power. Okay, smart resolution you can set, so it automatically adjusts the screen to suit the usage and to optimize the battery usage. Okay, battery usage, next to icon. Okay, here you can see Okay, if I turn off, do not show. Okay, no more battery indicator. Okay, the percentage indicator next to icon. Okay, app launch, you can set those for automatic launch. You can turn it off so that it won't load every time. So like for this game, I'll turn off. Gmail also, okay, Gmail I'll turn it on. The play movie I'm not using, turn off. Play music also. Play service of course. Map, yeah. Mirror, Netflix we are not using. Okay, party mode also I'll turn it off. All these are useless. Okay, phone clone also I'm no more cloning the phone. Okay, photo, screen recording, switch, all these I use it. I'll just run the program. You don't have to. Okay, load the program for me. Tips also I don't need. Okay, so many tips. Okay, WhatsApp, YouTube don't have to load automatically because I'm not watching the whole day. Booking also, whatever, later I'll remove all this program if it allows. Camera 360 also, I just don't let them to run automatically. Okay, drive also no need. Okay, Facebook, blah blah blah, no need to save the battery. Okay, FM radio also seldom use. Okay, Gmail also maybe I turn off. I'll just, because this is my secondary phone, if we need to use it, of course it's better for you to turn on all this. Okay, but for me, I'll just save it for the battery. Okay, storage, it's 32 gig. Now it's available around 22 gig. Okay, the system already used for more than 5.5 gig. Okay, display, okay, we have gone through. Oops. Okay, for the Wi-Fi, all these are quite standard. Oh, okay, apps notification, supports the app twin as well. Okay, all these are normal. Display the network speed so that we know whether our network is connected or running or not. Okay, blah blah blah. Okay, let's try out the camera. Okay, this is the camera button. Okay, this tells you how to switch between the camera modes. Okay, GPS tag just enable. Allow. Okay, aperture, you can adjust the aperture. This is a portrait mode. Okay, photo, take the normal photo. Video and more, see what we can download. Okay, we just download all this. Put food mode, document scan. Okay, watermark is automatically installed. It's already pre-installed. Okay, so let's go to video mode, any settings. Okay, it's HD. We set it to full HD. Other thing, okay, use the compatibility H.264. Okay, all these, the photo as well. Okay, resolution is 13 megapixel. GPS tag, yes. Use the grid. Okay, so that we can shoot better. Okay, mute, timer, audio control, gesture, blah blah blah. This is volume button. Use it as shutter. Okay, this is what I call the grid. Okay, for you to focus on the object, so you can put the object in the middle. Okay, let's try. Where's the AI mode? You see the AI mode? Oh, okay, AI mode here. Just need to, it's turned off by default. Okay, as you can see, get detected as text. How about this? Is it detected anything? Where's the AI mode? Okay, forget it. Okay, so that's all. We can see the AI mode. Okay, this is the flash. I will turn it off always because we use the natural light unless it's situated in the very closed environment without lights or at the night mode. Okay, so that's all. I hope I'll put in another video when I use it for around 1 to 2 weeks time. Then I'll show you another round of video. Okay, that's all. Thank you.